What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing something. I'm so behind, but let me tell you, you know I have a 2023 Escalade Sport. If you watch this channel, if you're new, that's what I have. I don't know why, for the life of me, this vehicle came with the ugly pedals that it came with instead of the sport pedals. You would think sport model would have sport pedals, or at least sport and sport platinum would have these pedals installed, and then you could, I don't know, I mean, I think they should be on everything higher, trim higher as a sport and up. I think it should be on there, or at least an option. I didn't see it. I got these off of a website I'll link down below. I believe they were like $120, and yeah, slightly pricey, but I don't care. Totally worth it, because you know, the look of these and having the rubber part of it, but mostly just the look, the feel. There was two of these, right? So this is like a black chrome, and then it was like a real shiny silver chrome. So we're just gonna put these on. I know they're gonna give me a bitchin' amount of trouble. So what I'm gonna do is try to get my scan grip light here, which I believe is fully charged, and I'm gonna put that inside the car, show you what the stock pedals look like, and we're just going to try to install this and see how it goes. I believe this is going to make a nice difference in the floorboard area, and also probably the feel of the pedals, because it's a little elevated and a different texture instead of this flat rubber crap. It's got like a elevated, I don't know, we'll see. It might just be in my head, but we're going to see what it looks like. So my given Fs, oh, see, there is nothing on here. This is crap. That's crazy. There's nothing on there. Is that supposed to be like that? So this has rubber but nothing else? That's wild. That's wild. Alright, so what we're gonna end up doing is putting, I don't know which way it's gonna go, so it's gonna go this way. So we're gonna put this pedal on, and then we're gonna throw this pedal on here, and I think it's gonna make a good bit of difference. I mean, obviously I'm gonna clean that real quick. Apparently with this, all you have to do is just pull it. You could start right here on the bottom, and you just pull here. The car's making all kinds of noise here, and this comes off. That's a cool little pedal. So I definitely knew what I was getting myself into here. And I guess I just didn't anticipate that it was going to start raining a little bit. I don't know what's the best way to attack this. Hold on. It just doesn't make sense. Oh wait, hold on. Freaking pedals make me look like a fool. I make myself look like a fool easier when I'm not trying. Hold on. I'm gonna move this camera. It's just this little edge here. I think I'm getting some water on my leg, which means I'm definitely getting water a little bit in my door, which is no bueno. Get out of here. Oh, hold on. Oh, is it on? I think it's on. Holy moly, Batman. Alright, that looks that looks infinitely better. And I'm just gonna give this a quick wipe, and then we're gonna tackle the nightmare that is that shit. I'm gonna start from the bottom this time. Maybe that's why. Alright, and then we wiggle it. No way. No way. I got it. Yes, baby. Let's go. So here's what I had to do. I took this tool. Can't see shit, right? Hold on. Now that I don't have to do too much in the way of moving, I shoved this under this side here that was already done, and I pushed outward like that to get this piece to come out and over. It's totally on. Yep. Oh, fuck. So yeah, excuse the scuff marks and mess and bad lighting. This is nighttime. You gotta deal with it. I think, hold on. I think in general, this made a significant improvement. Everything is nice. Get this out of here. Everything looks good. I'm sure it's gonna feel spectacular. What a difference. But this one went on pretty easy. That one's not bad at all. I don't know if this is how you should do it, but how I did it, like I said, I switched it up halfway. I started it out on the bottom, and I went back all the way up that way. Specifically because my pry tools and stuff, they're a little bit longer. If you have smaller ones, you probably could have done it, but this end helped me a lot by going in and pulling outward, and then this piece, like I said, toward the end, I pushed up. I did heat it up beforehand. Do I think that helped? Probably not. I don't think it did much of anything. But I remember when I had either the Scat or the Hellcat that people were saying to leave the pedal in hot water so that it got soft. So I think that's where I got that from, and it did much of nothing. Fingers are a little torn up. They hurt a little bit, but man up. It's all good. Totally worth it. I think this is an absolute essential mod. These pedals should have goddamn came on the Sport and Up upward models. Not sure why they didn't, but here they are in all their $120 glory. Now I gotta clean all these. These mats are not staying. I am gonna go back to the Tux mats for now, even though I love how these look color wise. Just dirty wise, they're just a little bit much, and these channels in here that collect the dirt, I'm not feeling that. But again, it's nighttime out here, and I just wanted to get these pedals off my desk because they've been annoying me. They have. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate all of your support. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. I'll see you guys on the next one, and hopefully it's some of these mods easy pass and emblems that have to go on. I've got radar installs, dash cam installs, suspension things I'm messing around with, an intake from Rotofab. Lots coming. Stay tuned if you're into that kind of crap. And detailing videos, tons of that. I love you all. I'll see you on the next one.